Let's move on now to case 4 in finding for the area of the normal curve. So we have case 4, the area to the right of any negative z value. For example, find the area to the right of z, which is equal to negative 2.08. Again, we have this notation since to its right, so we have the probability of z greater than negative 2.08. Same process, we draw the normal curve, locate the mean which is in the center, and locate where is this given z value in the normal curve. Since it is negative, it is located on the left side of the curve. Now, that is negative 2.08, just do not forget to label it. Now, we are looking for the area to its right. So, what's the area to its right? So, the right of this we have the whole of this. So, we are looking at this whole shaded portion or area. Again, you know very well that the whole right side is equal to 0.5 or 0.5. Since it is included yung area from mean to negative 2.08, hanapin din natin yung area niyan. To do that one, again, we use the z table and we locate the area of 2.08. So we have 2.0 plus 0.08 and get the intersection, we have 0.4812 is the area of 2.08. So, we'll get back to our illustration. So, the area of this from mean going to negative 2.08 is 0.4812. Now, what are you going to do to get the area of this shaded portion? So, it's obvious that you will need to add. One tip lang class is, if nako-cover yung mean, nasi-shade yung mean part, ang gagawin mo is to add. Kapag hindi naman nako-cover yung mean, ibig sabihin may space yung in between yung mean bago yung shaded portion, you have to subtract. Yun lang yung tip ko sa inyo. Alright, so since ito covered yung mean, all you have to do is to add. So we have 0.4812 plus 0.5. So we have 0.9812 or in percent, we have 98.12%. So therefore, the area to the right of z is equal to negative 2.08 is 98.12%. Alright, we'll go to case 5. So for case 5, what about if you are given two z values and you are looking for the area in between them? So, for example, we have find the area between z, which is equal to 1.93, and z, which is equal to 2.35. So, in notation, we write this as probability of the quantity z, which is greater than or equal to 1.93, but it is less than or equal to 2.35, meaning yung z values ay nasa gitna ni 1.93 and 2.35. Alright, so we're looking for the areas in between these two z values. So, tip lang dito class para hindi kayo malito, of course, kung alin yung mas mababa, nandito siya sa left side, at kung ano yung mas mataas, nandito siya sa right side na z value. And ganito na lang yung inequality symbol. Alright. So, first step, draw your normal curve and then locate the mean and locate the two z values. So, since as you can see, they are both positive, nasa right side silang dalawa. So, we have here, of course, mas nauna si 1.93 and then mas malayo si 2.35. So, kasi nga, diba ito, 1, 2, 3, ganyan. Alright, and we are looking for the area in between them. So, we are looking on this area. Ngayon, to get the area of this, we have to look for the area from mean to 1.93 and the area from mean to 2.35. So, the area from mean to 1.93 is 0.4732. Let's check kung tama. 1.93. We have 1.9 plus 0.03. That is 0.4732. And then, sali na rin natin si 2.35. We have 2.3 plus 0.05. So, 0.4906. So, yan yung gagamitin natin na areas ni 1.93 and 2.35. Balikan natin yung ating figure. So, 0.4732 kay 1.93. And then, from mean going to 2.35, yung area niya is 0.4906. Ang kinukuha lang natin na area is the shaded portion. Ito, yung shaded green portion, which is this one. Nilagyan ko ng bracket. Yan yung hinahanap natin na area. So, what are you going to do now? So, check mo. We have this one. Meron kang area from mean covering 1.93 all the way to 2.35. And then, meron kang area from mean going to this, which is an shaded portion. So, again, what will you do is to subtract the two areas. So, whatever the areas of Z, 2.35, and minus the area of Z, 1.93. So, mas nauna lagi yung mas malaki. So, we have 0.4906 minus 0.4732, and we'll get an answer which is 0.0174 or 1.74%. So, therefore, the area between Z is equal to 1.93 and Z is equal to 2.35 is 1.74%. And lastly, let's have case number 5, two Z values, but the other Z value is negative. For example, we have Z, which is equal to negative 1.36, and Z, which is equal to 1.5. We are looking for the area in between these two Z values. So again, we have to use proper notation. The probability of the quantity Z greater than or equal to negative 1.36 and Z is less than or equal to 1.5 and close quantity. Locate where are those Z values in the normal curve. The mean is always in the center since we have a negative Z value nasa left side and nasa right side naman yung positive Z value. Right? So, negative 1.36 and positive 1.5. Now, we are looking on the area in between them or the shaded portion in our illustration. We need to look on to the area from mean to negative 1.36. So, from mean to 1.36 is we have 1.3 and then plus 0.06. So, we have 0.4131. 0.4131, this one. And then, we have to look also for the area of 1.5. So, the area of 1.5 is, we have this one, 0.4332. Right? So, we have 0.4332. So, since na-cover yung mean, yan yung sinasabi ko kanina, pag na-cover yung mean at you are looking for this area, all you have to do is to add. Add the two areas. So, you will get 0.8463 or 84.63%. So, therefore, the area between Z, which is equal to 1.36, and Z, which is equal to 1.5, is 84.63%. Thank you so much for listening.